Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tools Guys. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Fivklemnz Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier. If you've ever found yourself struggling with limited storage space during road trips, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive into the details. But before we get started, let's see what's inside the box. Now let's talk about the installation. One of the standout features is its universal fit. It works with any car, truck, or SUV. If your vehicle doesn't have roof side rails, don't worry. It can be easily installed on the roof rack in just minutes using the 6 door hooks provided. It's a hassle-free setup, making it convenient for everyone. The main highlight of this cargo carrier is its impressive storage capacity. With 15 cubic feet of space, it's designed to accommodate 4 6 suitcases, travel luggage, tents, sleeping bags, and more. This means you can free up valuable space inside your vehicle for a more comfortable journey. Now, when it comes to safety, Fivklemnz has got it covered. The cargo carrier is equipped with 8 reinforced adjustable straps to ensure it stays securely in place during your travels. Additionally, the anti-slip mat included adds an extra layer of security, preventing any unwanted movement even on high speed or bumpy roads. This not only keeps your cargo safe, but also protects your car from scratches. As you can see, it fits perfectly and looks sleek on the roof. It's a great addition for those who need that extra space without compromising on safety. And there you have it, the Fivklemnz Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier. From its easy installation to the spacious design and safety features, it seems like a reliable solution for your travel needs. If you're interested in more information or want to get one for yourself, check the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and hit that notification bell. Safe travels, everyone.